which one of these routers is the best router? The answer is both. Hit the like and subscribe button and I'll walk you through the story. It is September of 2024, and 2 nights ago, as I was working on my computer, actually I was playing video games, suddenly the internet went out, poof, and that was it. So it took me one day to troubleshoot. Actually, it took me about a half an hour to troubleshoot. And what I found out was the router was bad. How did I figure that out? I plugged my Ethernet cable directly into the back of my Spectrum modem and ran that into a laptop with an Ethernet cable jack, and the internet worked. But anything going through the router did not work. The front of the router was just flashing all kinds of crazy buttons. Nothing was consistent with the way it was actually flashing. I did a factory reset, I did a soft reset. I could not get on their website for ASUS to even get it to talk to it to do a diagnostic. So I figured it's got to be the router. This is the router I had right here, which is the ASUS fastest one that I could find back when I bought it. And ironically, I kept the receipt, which I paid a little over $200 after tax. It was $199.99, and I bought it in October of 2015. So this bad boy lasted 9 years. I don't know if you can see the buttons here. This is the Ethernet cable jacks. This is the actual jack that comes from the modem. And then these are the Wi-Fi signals, and then the power. These buttons were all just flashing crazy. So again, I plugged in directly from my modem to a computer, and everything ran well. The new modem I bought is right here, which is an ASUS also. I bought the same brand because this one lasted for 9 years. So when I plugged it in, and before I plugged it in, I knew that we were running a lot of devices. I run 31 devices. That's iPads, Macs, computers, cell phones, TVs. I've got a 5 computer setup. 1, 2, 3, 4 in my computer room. My wife has a laptop. We got laptops all over the place. So 31 devices, my security system, garage door opener, the Ring doorbells, all that kind of stuff. So I needed to get back up and running fast. So I went to Best Buy. Actually, I looked on Amazon. This was $161 on Amazon, and Best Buy it was $199, but they do price matching. So I ended up going to the local Best Buy and getting it, and they matched the price. So I got that bad boy for like $170 something out the door. So what I'm going to do next is go in the house and show you how it looks and kind of explain the actual setup, because it was literally plug and play, easy peasy. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm in my office. I'm inside. The light's not as good as it is outside, so let's go over this real quick. I installed this router about 1 a.m. this morning because I couldn't sleep. I'm going to go through the process and then explain it, and then finish this video out. So here's the actual router right here. Looks pretty cool. In the back of it, it's got the Ethernet cable coming in from the modem right there, and then it's got 4 ports. One of them is dedicated for a gaming computer, and then I got one plugged into a secondary desktop, and the other cord is plugged into a laptop, and then the 4th port is going over to the splitter, which runs an Ethernet cable down to my basement, and then the other Ethernet cord coming out is for my, I can't remember what it's for. Oh, it's for my garage door opener that I can run. It's got a hub, my printer. There's my gaming computer down there, which I'm getting ready to clean. Got a desktop tucked under there. That's my modem right there. It looks like it needs dusted. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 computer monitors set up for gaming and doing day-to-day business. My laptop over here is kind of like my dedicated TV that I pack up when I need to travel. So once you install this router, it's kind of plug and play. When you fire your computer up, this screen automatically comes up. It's a little bit different at first, but it says you need to create an account, create the name of your network, and then basically everything just flopped over for me. So I use, this is an important thing that I wanted to make a point about, that I use the same network name, password, all that stuff, and every single device transferred over without issue. So if you look right here, I've got 31 clients, which is all my devices at the house. We didn't have to go in and jam new passwords in or search for the network. Everything, because I think it's an ASUS going to an ASUS, transferred right over. So I literally plugged all this in, the same as the old router, came over to the computer, started it up, and it instantly recognized the new router. Took me to a web screen. I had to click some buttons. I just used all this same account information and passwords and what I just told you, the same network name, and everything transferred over. I could not be more happier. So that is the system. It's a little messy in here. I'm also a musician, so I'm gonna finish this video. Again, hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out. I'm getting ready to do a video also of me cleaning this computer, which is about probably 6 or 7 years old because it's full of dust. Today is dust day. So thanks for watching.